how to turn off eHarmony notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the eHarmony dating application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you use the eHarmony dating application and then you get lots of notifications from it, what you might want to do to disable the notifications is you want to go to settings, then go to the option called notifications. Under notifications you want to simply look for eHarmony here. Under notification style, tap on it and then just make sure to turn off the toggle next to allow notifications, and you will not receive notifications from eHarmony. Not only that, what you need to do is under the Siri tab you'll find Siri suggestions. Tap on Siri suggestions and then just look for eHarmony over here. Once you look for eHarmony, turn off the toggle next to eHarmony and you will not receive notifications from eHarmony anymore. This way you can turn off notifications for eHarmony. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.